Morning. This is Ralph from Tobacco Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. Today we got an interesting one. We're going to take out the existing evaporator coil and outdoor condensing unit that died on this furnace. However, a couple of years ago somebody put in a high efficient ream furnace but left the 20-plus-year-old R22 cooling components. So they have died now, and we're going to cut this coil out and replace it with the heat pump coil by EcoWare to give our client the best high efficient heating options and cooling options. Out here is the old condensing unit, which has lost its charge and died. So we're going to remove this, put in our EcoWare heat pump stand, a new high efficient EcoWare. Our client will get the maximum mass save rebates for this. And yeah, that's it. I'll show you the progress as we get going. All right, so I got the old evaporator coil out. Now I got to trim up some of the sheet metal, and then I got to unbox the EcoWare evaporator and get that in place. The new EcoWare evaporator coil in place. I just gotta button up the top, seal the bottom, and we can connect the pipes. Got the whole crew here today. Frankie the Bee. Michael's out here getting the EcoWare unit in place. Frankie the Bee on the job early today. Mikey D. Michael Thomas Pipes Tobacco.